Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the Coron Forex indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can identify the beginning of trends for us, and it can also pinpoint ranging areas in the market in such a way that when this indicator is yellow, it indicates the ranging areas of the market. When we see the first red color on this indicator after yellow, it signals the start of an uptrend, and when we see the first green arrow after the yellow arrows, it signals the start of a downtrend.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
We can use this indicator as an entry point, entering a buy trade when the first red arrow appears, and entering a sell trade when the first green arrow appears. This indicator does not have any input settings and automatically adapts itself based on the symbol present on the chart. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.